Hey everyone, it's Lora the Beauty Buster, and I just came out of the shower after my enzyme mask, my home treatment of the foamy lift and ectoderma, and now I am ready to do my day routine. So, as you know, with most good things, you can't just do one or two products or three steps and you're gonna have great skin. That's kind of not how skin works. Just like you remember PERT, I think it was PERT. Sorry, PERT, if I'm wrong. But they tried to mix the shampoo and the conditioner together. It doesn't work because this is just science. It's based on the pH of the product. They need to do different things and they have different chemical makeups. Just like a multivitamin is okay, but a multivitamin is really not going to give you what you need. Certain things need to be broken up and taken alone, with food, without food, certain times of the day, because your body can only absorb so much. So it's not really the best thing to do. I think somebody might have done peanut butter and jelly together. And that sounds genius in the same jar, but did it work? No, it didn't. Some things just don't work. So the DMK process might seem much more intense than other lines, and it is. It is a commitment, but the results are so great that you're going to keep doing it. And when you stop doing it, that's when you really realize, this is not good. So like I said, I just did my home mask, and I've cleansed my skin. And so now I'm going to start with pore reduction drops. Whether you have the Melanotech drops for hyperpigmentation or the pore reduction drops, either way, it's great. And you can mix them together. I usually mix them together, which I'm going to do. Actually, I'm going to put there's different ways to do this. Everybody has their own way. I'm mixing some Melanotech drops. I put them in the palm of my hand, just like this, and face, neck, and chest. And I kind of put my hands together like this, and then press it in and rub it in. That, for me, has been the easiest way. If you really try to like put little drops, and then it's going to get all over. So I just put them in the palm of my hand and then press and then go. So now it's all over my face, neck, and chest. Pore reduction drops are like a mineral bath for the skin, and they're also great to help tighten up the pores. They're amazing and feel really good. And especially if you're really red or you have acne or just really heightened sensitivity, pore reduction drops are great for that. Then I'm going to use super serum. So you can use, if you're not using the limited collection, which is a whole different regimen, then you would use your super serum, or you would use your beta gel, which this has some beta gel in there, and your vitamin C. So I just take a couple pumps and then I just kind of like make sure I spread it around here. And then I start working in making sure that I get everything that I just went over. Whoop, just came undone. That would be a great video, right? Get a lot more likes and hits on that video. Okay. And so that is all over. This is your antioxidant protection. You definitely need to be doing antioxidant protection every morning, especially because that's when you're going outside. Then you take the Urban Mineral Mist. And I put my Urban Mineral Mist in this container because look how fun. Amazing. 2 long squirts. I can't wait to see what that looked like on video. It's like heaven. I'm in heaven. And I just kind of spread it around. And then we take the CBE. So these two products, if you know me, check out the 30-day DMK challenge, the Lipid Matrix challenge. The Urban Mineral Mist and CBE are the crux of the line. If you don't have those, you're not doing anything. This is what is going to keep your barrier intact and protect your barrier. Doing these two things will take down so much redness in your skin. So many people are just lacking the proper hydration. Urban Mineral Mist helps whatever you use with it to penetrate deeper, which is why we don't use it with our vitamin A's. So then you can take however many drops. Now this one I do because it is a little bit thicker. We tell people 2 to 4 drops. I do more than that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's start with 4, and then I just go like this, and I just even saw some fall off my finger, which is why I tend to do a little bit more. Okay, and then I just start massaging it in. And then I say, I love myself. My skin is so beautiful. Oh my God. And I make sure I get under my eyes. My skin is perfect and beautiful. If you're in the mirror, definitely look at yourself. You is smart. You is kind. All right. You is beautiful. and I get on my eyelids, my eyebrows, and make sure I go all the way up, and your skin's gonna feel so nice and beautiful. And then that is your moisturizer. Your Urban Mineral Mist and your CBE are your moisturizer. So this is it. Then you can go right to spraying again with your SPF, or I really prefer to do, before I do my SPF, I prefer to do a treatment cream. This one is Biogen C. This is amazing. It has eucalyptus in it. And these lock and turn, which is kind of great, especially for when you travel. And so it's green, and I just kind of do one blob. This one has SPF in it, but I usually do an extra layer of SPF after. Spray again. Oh, they smell so good. Those are hand-pressed herbs and minerals, and then I'll kind of just go around. I tend to overuse a little bit my products, but I'm also out of the house. You know, I leave early in the morning, and then I get home when the sun goes down. So I just like to have it last all day and make sure that it really gets all over. I also do sometimes add an eye cream. I'll add eye tone or eye web, which eye web is like one of my favorite all-time products. And there you go. And I'm all fresh and dewy and glowy, which is the way it should be. Definitely make sure make sure you do every step under your eyes. It's really important, especially with the CBE and Urban Mineral Mist. And then if I'm really super dry, if it's during the day, I wouldn't, I mean, if it's during the night, I would not do that. But during the day, I would do my Biogen C. Then I would do my Nutri-Screen. And the Nutri-Screen is really amazing. That is an SPF, which I'm at the end of my Nutri-Screen. And then I might give myself a little spray. And then just add a little bit of extra SPF on top of the Biogen C. And then if I wasn't doing Biogen C, I'd be putting a lot more Nutri-Screen on. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay. That's enough of me getting ugly for today. So definitely, it's really easy. I mean, like, I took a long time explaining it, but really it's cleanse, your drops, your antioxidant protection, your moisturizer, and then your sunscreen or your treatment cream and sunscreen, and an eye cream. So you're using most of these products anyway. Most women are using a serum, antioxidant serum. Most people are using an eye cream. You're using a moisturizer. We just break the moisturizer down in 2 steps, and you're using a cleanser. I mean, like, it's really not that much, but it's just because it's different, it sounds like it is. So if you have any questions, give me a call. Check out my website, thebeautybuster.com, and you can come see me for a treatment and let me know if your skin glows. Thank you.